Hi, my name is Kuheli Ghosh. I'm from London. I'm living in Enfield. My company name is K Creative Boutique. Here I design personally all the products, and I do one-to-one consultancy as well. I'll do the bulk order as well according to the demand of the customers. I am a startup, but yes, I got a good response. I've got quite a few people interested in the product as a consultancy, and also for looking for the big products as well. So I got quite a few good response. Loved it. Probably coming back again, and have to enjoy a day. Probably tomorrow will be the much bigger for all of us, as tomorrow probably looking forward more people to come and see the show, and looking there for everybody liked my product, enjoyed it, love it. Thank you.